Yo, so if you don't know, how would you know? Anyway, so if you don't know, I have shifted my place recently. Now I got my own room, and today we will do somewhat uh, room tour. I don't want to show much of my room right now, but there is another thing that I really want to show you. That is my setup. Now my setup is pretty much the same, but you haven't really seen it anyway. Like even at my house, you didn't really see my setup in my videos anyway, so therefore I am obliged to show you my setup and a room tour. Let's go. So let's start with the kitchen. There are my dirty dishes, and then this is basically my kitchen. I haven't really cleaned, so don't judge me. This is my box where all my goodies are there, the tech goodies. Now this is my trusty cooktop. I haven't cleaned it either, and these are my stuff like the food, the masales and all that. Now this is my bed. Basically this is the bed, and this is my trusty night lamp. See it. Now anyway, so after that, this is my basically this is where my setup is, and then this is my window, and this is my bag, this is my water bottle. What am I doing with my life right now? Anyway, so this is basically the room itself. It's nothing special, but it is what it is, I guess. Now this is basically the room. This is just a one room set there, and the washroom is attached to it, and what goes in there stays in there. So I hope it remains that way. So I'm not going to show you my washroom. And then there is this balcony, because I'm staying on the second floor, so yeah, I get a balcony, and this is the view, all the night lights right here. And this is basically it. I can give you a photograph or two, how it looks in the daytime. But yeah, let's go to my setup real quick. Okay, so this is my setup as of now. Now let me give you a full look. This is basically a table on which stuff is just lathered on with no care at all. Now let me introduce you to my components one by one. So this is my basic keyboard. This is a brown switch mechanical keyboard. This is from the Red Dragon, and it has only one light. It doesn't have any RGB at all. I got a fairly good deal on it, and I got it for like 1900 rupees on Amazon. And I was really looking for a brown switch keyboard, but because red switch aren't that satisfying and blue switches are like too loud. Oh my god, how do people even use those? Anyway, now this is my trusty laptop. Now this is not the latest laptop by any means. This is like 3 or 4 years old now, but it does what I need it to do. And the specs of this laptop are like Ryzen 5 3550H and GTX 1654 GB with 16 GB RAM. And this is my gaming monitor. Look at it. Now this is my gaming monitor, and basically this and my laptop are the only thing that I bought basically with my own money. Basically this is my monitor. This is a 1920 by 1080, that is full HD monitor from Gigabyte. Now this is Gigabyte G24F, and this is basically a 24-inch monitor with 180 hertz refresh rate. So the panel is amazingly good, and the colors are really vibrant, which I really love about this panel. Like watching shows and movies and playing games is just a treat. Now, another thing that I really want you to see is my desk mat. Now, this desk mat is something I got off Amazon with a fairly good deal. Let me clear this out. So yeah, this is my desk mat and it is from Striff and it works just fine for me. I got a fairly good deal on it. Costed me around like 200 rupees, 199 or something like that, and I got a desk mat for that much, so I consider myself lucky in that matter. I tend to get really good deals on some kind of stuff. This monitor, I looked it up on Amazon and it costed like 12-13,000, and when I visited my local Gigabyte store they gave it to me for like 11,000. So yeah, straight up 2,000 rupee discount. So always check your local stores. So this is my basically wireless mouse. This is a Gigabyte, sorry, this is not a Gigabyte mouse, this is a Logitech mouse. Do you get it? So this is a Logitech G304, and honestly I basically love this mouse. This mouse is the best thing that happened to me after this monitor. You are the first one. You are the first priority, you are the second. Okay, so this is the second best thing that happened to me. Yes, this is a bit expensive for a mouse. This nearly cost like 2500 rupees, but I believe this is worth every penny. Like if you are a gamer, then and if you are someone who plays online games a lot, like competitive ones like this one, so then you definitely need this mouse because it is one of the cheapest gaming mouse from the Logitech, and Logitech is a really good brand, really big brand. So there's that. And basically it doesn't have any internal battery, you have to put your own, and it comes with one Duracell battery. And honestly I've been using this mouse for like easily 7 to 8 months, and I haven't swapped the battery that it came with. So yeah, battery backup is phenomenal. Another thing that you might not see is this thing right here. This is my laptop cooler, and I don't want to disturb my setup to show you this, but I'll give a pic of from Amazon, or maybe I should, maybe do I dare. So yeah, that should be enough. Like it has two fans, and this is from the Zebronics. Basically I don't remember what model it is, but this is from the Zebronics, and it has these kind of controls, so you can control the fan speed. It goes up to like U6. Let me show you. If yeah, so it goes up to U6, and basically keeps my laptop cool. I don't know how much FPS difference it actually gives, but yeah, there's that. Now let me give you a price on each and everything. So maybe if you are trying to build a setup yourself, maybe it will give you a basic idea on how much it costs to get a decent setup like this one. Now the table is fairly cheap. Like this is not even a gaming table or whatever that is, the office table, and that's it. It's not even that. I got it from Amazon for like 1100 or 1200. I don't know, I got it from Amazon or Flipkart. But I'll drop a link to everything that I've showed in this video. So and this mouse pad, let's talk about this mouse pad first. I got it for like 190 or 200 rupees or something like that. The price comes and goes up and down, like around, it stays around 200 to 250. So if you get it at 200, then definitely get this one because it is really good for the price. Then the keyboard, uh, I don't think this one is sold anymore, because I've checked again and again, and on Amazon it says currently unavailable. but yeah, if you get this one, then it should cost you about 1900 or 2000 rupees. So yeah, and this laptop right here, this is the heart of the entire setup right here. And so basically this costed me around like 51,000, I think, 3 years ago. And this laptop cooler, it costs me around 800 rupees. This monitor costed me around 11,000 rupees, and this mouse costed me around 2500 rupees, I think. Yeah, that is the price, 2500. This costed me around 2500. You don't have to get the mouse this expensive, but since I had a bit of help from YouTube itself, therefore I was able to get this mouse. And then this is my secondary phone. It has a custom ROM loaded into it. This is a Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So yeah, basically I think that is it. I don't think there is anything else to show you. Other, if you want to see my like neckband and chargers and stuff, they are stuffed into the corners. Then this is my like smart band charger. I have a Galaxy Fit 3 if you follow my channel. So, and in the mess of these cables, you might be able to spot a power extension cord. This power extension cord costs me around 3 or 400. This is from GM, and it is a fairly good company. The power cord connector is really good quality. This setup costed me around, I don't know, let me pull out a calculator. So this setup costed me around this much, that is 68,600 rupees, including this laptop, including this monitor, and including this table. Don't show your chappals. So this is my entire setup as of now. And yeah, so it costs me around 68,000 rupees. And basically I have cheaped out on many things, like this table for example. This is an extremely cheap table. I don't think it can even think of handling my weight. If I sit on it, then it's gone along with my setup. So yeah. So there you go. This is my setup. This is my basic gaming setup. And so that is it for today's video. And if you find this video helpful somehow, then give it a like. And if you want more content like this, then tell me in the comment section and I'll make it for you. And if you want guides like these, more guides like this, then also comment. So, and if you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.